The field of nucleic acid-based therapeutics has advanced incredibly in recent years. As new drugs are developed and marketed using this approach, scientists are trying to widen their range to treat as many disorders as possible. But the main barrier they are facing is directing the oligonucleotide-based therapeutics to specific body locations where their therapeutic action is needed. To align research efforts and identify gaps in the knowledge, the data group has recently reviewed the current delivery systems available and the challenges and opportunities they present. And they've highlighted the following. Because oligonucleotides, or ASOs, act within the intracellular space, they need to overcome several biological barriers to reach their targets. While local delivery has been successful for the eye, brain, and spinal cord, delivery to other tissues via systemic administration turns out to be much more challenging. Using intravenous administration, ASOs tend to accumulate in the liver and the kidneys, where they end up being cleared. However, their plasma half-life can be increased through different modifications, allowing them to escape clearance and reach other tissues of interest, hopefully at sufficient levels to promote a therapeutic effect. For these reasons, improving cellular uptake and avoiding degradation has been a driving force behind advances in drug delivery techniques. Chemically, ASOs can be conjugated with other molecules that facilitate targeting, either passively, like polyethylene glycol, cell-penetrating peptides and lipids, or actively, like antibodies, receptor ligands, and aptamers. Another option is to link the ASOs to carriers. The most commonly used ones are lipid nanoparticles, peptide complexes, and polymers. Each one of these options has its pros and cons, and not all methods are viable for every kind of ASO. But the hurdles researchers have to face in this field go far beyond the choice of the right modification to add or the right carrier to choose. After design and manufacturing, and before they can be approved, all these new chemicals and delivery technologies need to be screened for potential side effects, which poses an additional barrier in their development. Do you want to learn more? Read the full version of the review on EMBO Molecular Medicine or visit DATA website.